Welcome children, take out your geography book. Chapter 2, Population Dynamics. Today's topic, migration. What is migration? Migration is an important determinant of population change in a country. It is the movement by people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently in the new location. Now, what is migration? It is an important determination of population, and that is the change in the determinant, that is the change in the country. It is the movement. It means that is the movement of the people from one place to another with the intention of settling permanently in that new area. The movement is often over long distances and from one country to another, but migration within the country is also possible. Now, movement, often it is over a long distance, that is from one country to another, but migration, it is also possible that it helps within the country is also possible. People who move out of a country are called immigrants, while the people who live in the another country are immigrants. Now, people who move out of a country, that means who live from one country, who move out of the country, they are called the immigrants, while the people who come to live from another country, that means the people who come to live from any outside country, that is a foreign country, they are called the immigrants. Migration leads to increase in population and growth of new towns and cities. Now, due to migration, population increases and growth of new towns and cities also increases. It is also cultural enrichment. It allows cultural enrichment in the receiving country. On the other hand, large-scale immigrants may lead to problems of racial tension, while on the other hand, large-scale immigrants may release the problems of overcrowding in big cities. Now, one hand, what happens? Large-scale immigrants, what does it lead to? It leads to the problem that is for racial tension, while on the other hand, this large-scale immigrant, they release the problem of overcrowding in the big cities. Sometimes immigrants lead to extensive transfer of human resources to another country. Now, sometimes what happens? This migration, what it may lead to? It leads to extensive transfer of human resources, that is to another country. Eventually, it causes the brain drain. Now, what is brain drain? Now, composition of population. Each composition refers to the number of people in different age groups in a country. It is another component of population. Now, age composition, what does it refers to? It refers to the number of people belonging to different age groups in a country. It is an important component of population. Age group signify the rate of use of resources and the capacity to work. Now, age composition is a very important component of population. Age group, this is important. This signifies the rate of use of the resources, age, and the capacity to do work. The children working age and old age population determine the social and economic structure of population. Now, children working age and even the old age population, both these things determines the social and even the economic structure of population. Age-wise population are usually grouped. Now, age-wise population, what it is divided into? It is divided into groups. That is, children who are less than 15 years, they are called the dependent. Then working age, that is 15 years to 59 years, they are called the productive. Now, old age, that is above 59 years, they are called the dependent. Now, sex ratio. Sex ratio refers to the number of females per 1,000 males in the population. Now, sex ratio, what does it refers to? It refers to the female, that is from per 1,000 males in the population. It is an important indication determining equality between male and female population in the society. Now, what is it? It is a very important indicator and it determines the equality that is between the male and female population in the society. According to the census of India 2011, the sex ratio of India was determined at 940. Now, according to census of India, that is 2011, the sex ratio of India, it was determined at 940. It showed an upper trend from the census to the. Now, what does it show? Shows an upper trend from the census 2011. Data that stated the sex ratio to be 9:33. Now, it shows, what does it show? It shows trend, that is from the census of 2001. It shows the data which says that sex ratio is 933. Discrepancy is the sex ratio in India persists as the female foresight still continues in many parts of the country. Now, discrepancy, what is it? It is the sex ratio in India. It shows the female foresight still continues in different parts of India. Females are also discriminated upon the health care facilities fail to reach them, causing high mortality rate. Now, females, they are also discriminated upon this the healthcare facilities. It fails to reach them, causing the high mortality rate. According to the census of India 2011, the sex ratio of India at the rural and urban levels respectively is given below. Now, according to census of India, that is according to 2000 census, the sex ratio in India at the rural and urban area, they are given here. That is, overall India, 2001, it was 933. 2011, it increased by 940, and the difference is 7. Rural areas, 2001, it was 946. 2011, it raised to 947, and the difference is 1. Urban area, 2001, it was 900. 2011, it raised to 926, and the difference is 26. The following sex ratio is stated by the Census of India. Now, the following ratio, it is stated by the Census of India, that is 2011. It shows the disparity between the different parts of the country, that is Kerala, 1084, Pondicherry, 1037, Manipur, 985, Haryana, 261, Bihar, 918, Daman and Diu, 710. Today up to this much, and my next video I am going to explain the rest part of the chapter. Now take out your diary, write chapter 2, population dynamics, migration, explained, homework, revise it. And with this I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.